I just put my whole address in this video. Hold on. Okay. So we got the Drake muscle cars, the canards. So yeah, let's get into this.
North headed home. Rolling up a good lady, ride on. Never had a little money, baby, now it's grown. Now I'm big dogging on whatever niggas on. Don't play no games. I ain't about to play no games. I ain't about to play no games. Play no games. Don't play no games. I ain't about to play no games. Seatbelt buckled up, sliding in the traffic. Careful how you move when you ride with a package.
What's up with y'all, man? Let's get this thing on the road, man. I'm gonna try not to waste y'all time, but y'all came here for this. I already got the box open. Alright, so yeah, as I explained earlier, we about to start posting more content more frequently. I'm trying to be more active on Instagram. If y'all got any tips or anything, you know, drop them down in the comments below. But as of right now, we about to get into these canards. So it looked pretty simple when I was looking at the directions. I'm gonna go over all the tools you need. I'm about to back the car out the garage. I'm about to pull the car out and I'm gonna turn it around because it's facing that way. I wanna work in the garage because it's a little cold outside. So yeah, I might still leave the garage open, but yeah, y'all get the point. We're about to get this thing started up. I gotta move the Jeep out the way so I can put the car in. So let's get into it. Get this loudness started. Y'all want the door open and the door closed? We're gonna leave it open anyways. There y'all go. Alright, now let's turn this thing around. So of course, before you start the installation, just turn the wheels all the way to the left or right, whichever one you prefer. So you gotta get your tools in there and take the wheel liner off, because you have to stick the canards in between the bumper with the bracket, and then it's gonna wrap around here and they gonna be about right there. And they don't, my main concern was them being in this air duct to block off the air, but it starts right at the top of the air duct, so it don't mess with none of your aerodynamics. So yeah, let's get into the installation. I'm about to read the instructions, then I'm gonna pull all the tools out and tell y'all what y'all gonna need. So boom, all you need is a 7mm socket, a ratchet. I don't want to use a ratchet, this is faster. I'm just gonna make sure I don't over tighten anything. Then you want a Phillips screwdriver. I got this DeWalt ratchet screwdriver. And you need a T15 for the wheel liner. So I already showed you guys that I turned the wheel all the way to the right. Whichever side you're working on, you want the wheel to be like that so you can fit your screwdrivers and stuff in it. And then we are about to start the process. So I'm gonna read these directions and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna just make this fast so you guys can see the end results, and so you could do it without having to read the instructions with a visual demonstration. So let's get to it. So you only need to get in this area, so you gotta take this bolt out right here, this bolt out, and I don't think I have to take that one out, so I'm not gonna sit there and take all of them out. So yeah, I'm about to do that, and I'm gonna show you guys because you gotta pull it back. So let's go. Then I don't know if you see it, but it's like a little bolt right here. I'm gonna get a light. So it's a little 7mm bolt right there at the bottom. Hold on. It's actually this first one right here, but you gotta turn it clockwise and not counterclockwise. Counterclockwise. Usually like lefty is loosey, but this one is righty. So I turn that counterclockwise, and then you should be able to play with this bumper and put the bracket in. So hold on. So when you get the two bolts out, you can kind of play with the bumper, and then you can pull the little bracket piece in there. Don't tighten it up. You gotta play with it to see like how it lines up, and you go leave it loose before you tighten anything down. So now I'm gonna just place the canard up there to see how it's gonna look. Okay, yeah, I don't know if I'm tripping. I don't know if this lining up or not. But so pretty sure it goes on something similar to like this. Hold on. Or do it go angle down like that? I want to say it has to angle down like that. So something like that. So I'm gonna play with this for a second and I'll be back. It might be a little scary, but you gotta pull the bumper out like that to get the bracket in. You're not gonna break now, you go pop a clip. It's not gonna break, just go pop out. So now we about to get the canard in there, placing it around. So I gotta play with it, so give me a second. So there we go, we got the one side on, one side also. Let's see. We got on here. What y'all think? That's that side. None on that side. That side. None on that side. I don't know. We gonna take it outside. I'm gonna let y'all see and everything. I'm about to put that side on though. Okay, y'all, we finally got them on. I'm gonna pull it outside. And we're gonna do a quick little montage. But overall, it's pretty simple to do. Once I did the one side, it took me about 30 minutes, and then I figured out how to do it, and then I went to the other side. It took about 10-15 minutes, I popped it right on. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and show y'all around it, and that's about to be the end of the video. Yeah, look.
Oh, the camera was brown. I ain't know nothing. Yeah, I messed up your feelings. Man, I don't know. I ain't about to record it again either. I ain't about to do that again. I don't know. I like it. I don't know.
Oh man, what's up with y'all? Let me see something. Whew, it's a whole new day on your boy. Yeah, man. Yesterday we had some type of family event for Mother's Day. We was out with the family. All the mothers was out seeing all my aunties and uncles and stuff. But yeah, man, tell me what y'all think about the canards, man. I'm about to go look at it one more again. It's a new day. I had it all cleaned up, but I hit some bugs and stuff. So, but yeah, but there they go. I don't know. They some heat to me. I don't know. Only thing I was a little concerned about was the little bitty gaps right there. But I don't know. It's kind of cool though. I don't know. So see, it didn't go. It's on top of the air duct. I thought it was gonna be in the middle. Boy, I was tearing on bugs up. Oh yeah. The canards go crazy. So that's it for today's video. Let me know if y'all messing with the intro. My uncle just gave us a whole bunch of custom music for the channel. He do music or whatever, and he gonna let me use his music on the channel. So yeah, we about to have our own music for the channel and stuff now. That was his music that I used in the intro. And I'm gonna be putting snippets of his songs and stuff at the end of every song. So if y'all like the music, y'all can also go get his music off of iTunes. His name is it's Dirty Merc. It's Dirty Merc. So put a link to his iTunes and stuff in the description. So That's it for today's video. We also got that big car show coming at the end of the week that we did last year. You could check it out on my channel. I recorded the last one. And that's it. It's your boy Tazbegrinding. I'm out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and browse the rest of the channel, man. Peace.
That way.
Yeah, that way.
That's it, the way a nigga move.
Way nigga move.
I'll slide through the bag.
Running through that
But
bag.
every time you see the dude,
Every time you see the
he got a bag full of cash.
Bad for the cash.
Let's talk about how I be grinding, shining, 150 on the tab.
50 on the tab.
I'm adding up, man. It's like you got these niggas mad.
Got these niggas mad.
Hey, mama told me to watch cats. Told me if I fall, you better bounce back. So I'ma try to get it on.